Hey everybody, welcome back. You join me today as I'm about to refinish the last original panel of this 1990 Miata, which is the hood, and technically the headlight covers as well. But I'm gonna go ahead and take apart the headlights, try to take off those covers, be a little easier to paint it, and then prep, and then spray the hood. So stay tuned. All right, I got the hood all taped off and cleaned. I'm not gonna sand it down because it is the original finish, and it's not really in bad shape at all. So I'm gonna shake up the paint, get a couple coats on there. Well, 2 coats and it's absolutely full of orange peel, which I expected. This was definitely gonna be the hardest part of the car to paint, but it definitely looks better than old nasty faded paint. So I'm gonna let this dry, then I'll probably do 1/3 coat and let the whole thing dry. And then, like I said, I'll clear coat the whole car at once everything is cured. And I think the clear coat will even everything out. From what I've seen online, it'll fill in all the orange peel and have a real nice glossy appearance that I can then buff. And then really, for not a lot of money, this car will be painted. All right, well, it's been about a week since I painted the hood, and I don't have a lot of sunlight left, but this is kind of the one area of sun that I still have in the driveway. But I just wanted to show you how the hood turned out. It's kind of hard to see. Definitely a lot of orange peel, which I explained before, but at least the color is solid and uniform, and it definitely matches the passenger side. So I think I've decided what I'm going to do is go ahead and kind of tape off, detrim, and tape off everything else and give it one final coat of red over everything just so it matches color-wise. And I don't know if it comes out on camera, but it's definitely a couple shades off just because this old stuff is pretty faded. But once I do that, should be able to go ahead and do the clear coat over top. Yeah, you can probably see better here. This is, it's not really oxidation, probably a little bit, but for the most part, it's just faded just because it's been in the sun for a couple years baking, really with no protection on top. So this color I like, it's a lot closer to the factory classic red color. So anyway, just wanted to kind of wrap up this week's video and let you know what I'm doing next. So we've got some rain coming, so I don't know when I'll be able to get to the rest of the painting on this. But I definitely want to get this finished. And then once I finish the painting, I can turn my attention to the suspension and the wheels and tires. So I guess that'll do it for this week. Stay tuned for more Miata videos and more Ranger videos. Got a couple projects coming up for the Ranger, so definitely stay tuned. Let me know if you have any questions, and please feel free to give this a like. It helps out the video status quite a bit, and I will read and respond to all of your questions and comments. As always, thanks for watching. Catch you on the flip side.
Thank you. Come again.